Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question, question number 9. And the instruction to this question says we should choose the word that is almost opposite in meaning to the word that is italicized. And the italicized word here is called elated. And when we talk of elated means joy or joyfully or happy and the sentence say Mrs. John was elated by the birth of her child. Mrs. John was elated by the birth of her child. Then option A say depressed, B say excited, C say happy, D say irritated, E say troubled. And when we talk of trouble is synonymous to worried. Then irritated simply means something that is annoyed. And when we talk of happy is same as joy or to be elate. Then excited is same as joy or elate. Then depressed means sad. So, and the word that can actually, we are looking for the word that can actually serve as opposite. When we talk of sad, then we have happiness. The opposite of sad is happy or happiness. Then depressed simply means sad or sorrow, and so on and so forth. So, option A, which is depressed, is our correct option. So, option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.